What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another amazing cool tech episode. As always, I have some amazing, handy and interesting products for you all. Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. Just takes a second. Won't you do that for me? Alright. First product on my list is an interesting smartwatch. Meet the Boat WatchStorm, an entry-level smartwatch from Boat. Boat, as you know, they have a good audio lineup, and this is their entry into the smartwatch segment. And here is the Boat WatchStorm. Built-in design, though nothing new, is solid and stylish. All plastic body with a silicone strap. To the back, you have the heart rate sensor and the charging point. Front, you have the 1.3 inches full touch 2.5D curved display. It's bright and vibrant. And oh yeah, you can change watch faces. In fact, you can set your own photo from the app. But the bummer is, you have just 4 watch faces at the moment. Boat commits they'll be bringing 100 plus watch faces very soon via a software update. Till then, it's just the 3 faces and your own. On the features, it has most of the stuff you can expect. Steps, calories burnt, etc. Dedicated sports mode for tracking various activities. 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Blood oxygen levels, handy during this COVID times. Then blood pressure monitor. Relax mode for breathing exercise. Then alarm, music control, timer and more. And yes, has call notifications with number and name preview. And you can even reject the call from the watch. Nice. And message notifications, you got that as well with the text preview. And oh yeah, the watch is waterproof up to 5 meters. Coming to the app, it's decent, but definitely needs improvement. I would expect it to be more responsive and fast. Now the watch works on both iOS and Android, so no worries on that part. But make sure to enable all notifications etc. on the app when you pair the watch for the very first time. On the battery, you get up to a week's backup on a single charge. Charging is also easy with the magnetic cable that you get in the box. And here are the contents of the box. And here is how it looks when you wear it on your wrist. Overall, for Rs 1999 sale price, this is a good entry-level smartwatch that you can grab during the sale. Good one to own or give someone. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is an interesting 2-in-1 product. Meet the Zeb Wonderbar 10 from Zebronics. This is an interesting super budget-friendly 2.0 RGB speaker which you would want to have on your desk. Why? Let me show you. Here is the Wonderbar 10 out of the box. Yes, at first look, this is a basic RGB soundbar shaped speaker that you can connect to your desktop or laptop. You have the speaker grill with the 10-watt speaker in the middle, volume controls to the right, mic and headphone slots. Yes, you can even connect your headphones directly to it. Then the USB for power and the 3.5mm audio and mic cable. When this is on your desk, it looks amazing. The RGB lighting adds a nice touch. But what makes it special is, you can use the Wonderbar like a soundbar or boombar, and you have it like right and left speakers on your desk. Awesome, right? Definitely adds a nice touch to your desk setup, also while saving space, depending on how you want to use it. Attach and it's back to being a soundbar style speaker. Detach and now you have 2 speakers. On the audio quality, with its 10-watt output, it's decent enough. Don't expect bam boom sound, it's good to amplify your laptop or desktop sound. Here is a sample.
You take me away.
Overall, for just around Rs 800, definitely an impressive 2.0 speaker that you can use in soundbar style or in split mode, which can spice up your setup as well. Can be a good one to own or give someone. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is for gamers. Meet the Claw G9X gaming earphones. This is a super awesome one that you should own if you're into gaming. A dedicated earphone for gaming, which has amazing audio output. And here it is. Design and build is amazing, super solid and gives the gaming vibes. You get it in multiple colors as well. What I have here is the camo grey. This earphone comes with a large 10mm driver, silicone ear tips with a ear hook. You also get a handy inline controller with volume controls, secondary mic, mic mute switch and a single play pause pick up end calls button. End of the cable, a golden 3.5mm angle tip. Two cool things about this earphone that makes it stand out is, in the box you get a separate detachable boom mic. Just connect it to one side and you're all set. So when you're gaming, you are heard loud and clear.
Beep beep beep.
Next is, you also get a PC adapter in the box that you can use to connect this earphone to your PC as well when you're playing games on your computer. And mummies and daddies, don't worry, this can also be used for online classes. On the audio quality, it's amazing. Even for music listening, you'll be totally happy. Balanced highs, mids and lows, bass is thumping. Trust me, you'll be super happy that you got this. Here are the contents of the box. Overall, for around Rs 890, a worthy earphone, especially for gamers and even for music listening. You'll be totally happy with your purchase. This would be a wonderful one to gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is again an interesting and handy one. Meet the Doodao Cat Eye Power Bank, a cool power bank that you'd love to own. And here is the power bank. Well, this is a 10,000 mAh power bank. It supports max 5V 2A charging, which is standard for most smartphones these days. Has a Type-C port for Type-C phones, a normal USB port to charge phones, speakers, whatever, and a micro USB port for charging the power bank. To the side you have a power button. On press, ta-da, you can see the cat eye opening up. Well, this is the power level indicator. As you charge devices and power reduces, the eyes start to close slowly, giving it a nice look. And when you charge the power bank, it blinks like this as well. Definitely a funky power bank to own compared to the boring ones out there. And above all, it's compact to carry around as well.
Here we go again. Exclusive Texan comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the power bank is approximately the size of a 150g Rexona soap. Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Texan comparison. If you're looking for a cool looking, good portable power bank, something different from the usual boxy ones in the market, then for Rs 1,399 you can check this out. Will be a good one to own or give someone something creative yet handy. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, now it's time for the special product. This time it's a budget smartphone, especially a non-Chinese one. Here's the Nokia C3, an entry-level budget smartphone from Nokia. This is only for those who are looking for a secondary smartphone for basic use without spending much. And here it is. Well, design and build is decent enough. All plastic body, so it's light in weight. The good part is the battery is removable. Yes, isn't that new to a smartphone these days? You also get a dual SIM slot and a separate microSD card slot. Comes in two colors, sand and Nordic blue. I have the sand here with me. On the display, it's a 5.99-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display. It's bright enough with good color reproduction. Touch responsiveness is also good. Internally, it has a Unisoc 1.6 GHz quad-core chip with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage with Android 10. Yes, that is a big plus for this device. Stock Android with no bloatware, no ads, you get what I mean. However, given the specs, you can say it's only for basic use. Phone calls, browsing, WhatsApp, social media, and low-level gaming. You should be fine. But please don't expect to do high-end stuff with this. Like I said, this can only serve as a secondary phone for basic use. On the sensors, you have accelerometer, light sensor and proximity. And good thing is it also has the fingerprint sensor and it's fast. On the camera front, you have a 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera. Rear can shoot full HD videos at 30fps. I would say both cameras are okay in this range. Here are some samples. Now coming to the battery, it has a 3040 mAh battery which gets you a day long with no issues. And here are the contents of the box. And the technical specifications for your reference. Overall, if you're looking for a very basic Android phone with basic specs and decent performance on a super tight budget, and if you want an alternative for a Chinese phone, then you can definitely consider this. The Nokia C3 2GB 16GB model starts around 6600. You also get a 332GB model. Choose as per your need. We'll leave the Vespa link in the description, check it out. So that's it for this Cool Tech episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best Buy links are in the description, check it out. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control guys, so please understand. New to TechShan, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then,